Sony is gearing up to shake the full-frame mirrorless camera market once again with the highly anticipated A7C III. Leaks suggest this compact powerhouse will redefine what's possible in a portable form factor, bringing major advancements in image quality, video capabilities, and autofocus performance. With a next-gen sensor, superior video recording specs, and cutting-edge AI-driven autofocus, this could be the ultimate hybrid camera of the future. But with the A7C II still fresh on the market, should you wait for this new beast? Let's dive into everything we know so far. Sony has been steadily refining its compact full-frame lineup, sticking to a reliable 3-year release cycle. The original A7C debuted in 2020, followed by the A7C II in 2023. If this trend holds, the A7C III should launch around late 2025 or early 2026. However, Sony might push for an earlier release due to growing competition. Canon has been making waves with lightweight full-frame models like the EOS R8 and the rumored R9, while Nikon is reportedly developing a ZF-inspired hybrid camera. Sony won't want to lose ground in the compact full-frame segment, so an earlier-than-expected launch is a strong possibility. Would you wait for the A7C III, or is the A7C II still a solid choice? Let me know in the comments. Now let's talk about the core of this camera, the sensor. Leaks indicate that the Sony A7C III could feature a 36-megapixel backside illuminated sensor, an upgrade from the A7C II's 33 megapixels. This increase in resolution enhances image detail, giving photographers greater flexibility for cropping while maintaining top-tier image quality. The BSI technology will improve light gathering, translating to cleaner low-light performance and reduced noise. Whether you're capturing urban landscapes at night or cinematic golden hour shots, this sensor could deliver exceptional clarity and dynamic range. Speaking of dynamic range, Sony is rumored to push it even further, potentially exceeding 15 stops. This means better shadow and highlight retention, giving photographers and videographers greater latitude in post-production. But does a higher resolution come at the cost of speed? Not with Sony's latest Bion's XR processor. This powerhouse chip ensures rapid image processing, allowing for burst shooting without lag or performance dips. Would you prefer the jump to 36 MP? Or do you think 33 MP is already enough? Let's discuss below. Now, for the video enthusiasts, Sony appears to be stepping up its game. The A7C III is expected to support full sensor readout 4K 60 frames per second with no crop, ensuring that your field of view remains intact. But here's the real showstopper. Rumors hint at 4K 120 frames per second support. Imagine capturing ultra-smooth slow-motion footage with stunning clarity. Whether you're into action sports, wedding cinematography, or travel vlogging, this could be a total game-changer. In addition, Sony is likely to include advanced color grading options, such as S-Log3, S-Cinetone, and internal 10-bit 4:2:2 recording. These features provide richer colors, improved skin tones, and greater flexibility when editing your footage. But will Sony finally introduce internal RAW recording? Some rumors suggest ProRes RAW support via HDMI, which would be a dream for professional filmmakers. What are your thoughts? Do you think internal RAW is a must-have, or is external recording sufficient? Let's talk about autofocus, one of Sony's strongest areas. The A7C III is rumored to feature the most advanced AI-driven autofocus system yet. This next-gen technology could predict subject movements before they happen, offering near-flawless tracking for fast-moving subjects. Whether you're shooting wildlife, sports, or fast-paced events, this camera might ensure your shots stay razor-sharp. Expect enhancements in animal, bird, and vehicle tracking, making the A7C III a top choice for wildlife and action photographers. Sony's AI-driven subject recognition is also set to improve, making it easier to lock onto faces, eyes, and even full-body movement for both photo and video applications. Vloggers and portrait photographers will particularly benefit from these advancements, as they promise smoother, more reliable subject tracking. How much of a difference do you think these AI upgrades will make in your work? Let me know. As for design and handling, Sony is expected to maintain the A7C's beloved compact form factor while refining key usability features. Leaks suggest a higher resolution electronic viewfinder and an upgraded LCD screen for better real-time monitoring. Additionally, improvements in grip ergonomics could enhance comfort during extended shooting sessions, an essential upgrade for on-the-go creators. And of course, the A7C III is expected to retain its robust weather sealing, making it a reliable companion in challenging environments. No modern camera is complete without reliable battery life, fast storage options, and seamless connectivity. The A7C III is likely to match or slightly exceed the A7C II's battery performance, offering around 700 shots per charge. Storage-wise, dual card slots supporting CF Express Type A and UHS-2 SD cards will provide flexibility for professionals managing high bitrate video and burst photography. Connectivity upgrades, including USB-C 3.2, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2, should enable faster file transfers and more efficient remote operation. For content creators working under tight deadlines, these improvements could be invaluable. Now, let's talk price. Given the significant hardware and software advancements, the Sony A7C III is expected to cost between $2,299 and $2,499. While this marks a notable increase over its predecessor, the inclusion of high-end features like 4K 120 frames per second, AI-powered autofocus, and an upgraded sensor justifies the premium. Would you be willing to pay extra for these cutting-edge capabilities? Or do you think Sony should keep the price lower? Share your thoughts below.